We have many partners in the business sector that are represented in this briefing, but of course in the room we had many of them represented. And today I'm here to close the session that we had started about 2 weeks ago, where we had issued a public notice to our key stakeholders, and basically to run a consultative process that aims to address most of the issues in investment, trade and industry. And I'm happy that the turnout of opinions and suggestions have been very overwhelming. Some of these opinions and suggestions have come through the physical engagements, and there are a lot more from written submissions. So today was the climax, and we are very happy that most of the issues that have been raised are issues that will take Kenya forward. As you may already be aware, the government of Kenya is doing a lot of effort to make the ease of doing business more facilitative. And therefore, the President of this Republic has initiated physical infrastructure in the special economic zones, county aggregation and industrial parks, export processing zones, and basically these are infrastructure that is geared towards enhancing investment and manufacturing. However, we have a number of issues that are an impediment to business, and that is why I launched the process of consultation. And I'm happy that issues have been raised, but also suggestions have been given on how to resolve them. Key among the issues that has been on top is the area of tax regime. Most of the business and investors have advised that as government we need to look at a more predictable regime on matters taxation. An issue that has kept recurring is the issue of high cost of energy, and there are many more that they have raised, including multiple taxation from both levels of government and agencies. And I have committed to make sure that as we go forward, we will come up with administrative, legal, policy reforms to make sure that we resolve most of the issues that have been raised here. I'm also aware that some of these issues have been raised many times, but I committed this time round we are moving into actions and solutions. We are no longer going to be talking about identifying anymore. We want to move with speed to implement the issues that have been raised. And I've also committed to institute a quarterly meeting with the stakeholders to continuously review our progress, but more importantly now identify opportunities that can enhance business in our country. So I'm very happy, and I really want to thank our stakeholders for your contribution and your commitment, and the government of Kenya through this ministry will work with you to ensure that we make progress